You've been searching for ways to reach higher packing speeds. You know you want more and faster output with less manpower and a lower cost per box. At the end of this video, you will know what type of equipment you need in order to boost your productivity. Hi, Marie here from IMPACK. As an area sales manager for Europe, Asia, and South America, I've helped countless box manufacturers in many countries to reach their goals. In this video, I will explore the differences between packers and stackers. What is a packer? It is a packing system that allows you to dramatically improve the efficiency, ergonomy, and productivity of your packing process. Case packing is the process of collecting the boxes exiting the folder gluer in a shingle stream and packing them into a master or outer case. It automates certain actions involved in the case packing, such as the case management. That means that your staff can now focus on the packing and no longer has to perform the case flap closing, ejecting, or taping manually, as those actions are now automated by the packer. And as a result, dramatically boost your folder gluer productivity. It is installed behind or at the end of a folder gluer and after the pre-packing equipment. IMPACK packers are the Ergosa and the Virtuo. So what is a stacker? It is a stacking system that uses a bundling technology to allow you to bundle your boxes vertically and then send them to bending or strapping. A stacker meets bundling needs. Bundling is the process of stacking the boxes exiting a folder gluer. Just like a packer, a stacker is installed behind or at the end of a folder gluer and after the pre-packing equipment. It fully automates the box bundling process and reduces employees' workload. As a result, it allows you to push your folder gluer to its maximum potential. The purpose of a stacker is to efficiently facilitate box bundling. But if you also need to pack boxes, it is possible to do the packing and stacking with the same machine. But we will talk about that later. IMPACK stacker is the Everio. So what machine is best for your production? If you're exclusively doing case packing, then a packer such as the Ergosa or the Virtuo are the best option for you. On the other hand, if you're exclusively doing banding, strapping, then a stacker such as the Everio is the best option. Finally, if you're doing case packing and bundling on the same folder gluer, then you need the Ergosa packer. Otherwise, a custom project is another possible option, especially if you have large production volumes. We understand it is an important decision. Now your next step would be to compare between your available options. Start by checking the resource below, where we compare different packers to discover which is the best for your specific production. Thank you for watching. See you soon.